I am on my way to one of my favorite customers' houses. It's a multi-phase project that started out in 2014 with a pavilion that will now act as a pool house, because here in 2020 we're installing the pool. In between, we've done a whole bunch of planting jobs along the way, and this multi-phase project is about to come to a wrap. Alright, I'm heading back to check on the status of the pool installation. Once it's done, we can start on our portion. Alright, now that the pool is in, the first things we're starting on is the gravel base and the foundations for all the retaining walls, because the first course of every wall is buried in the foundation. The walls are set up, now it's time to bring in the gravel and finish up the base. Guys are finishing compacting the gravel back there. We're going to start bringing the sand in, leveling it out, and tying this new paver patio pool deck into the old paver patio. Alright, sand is level, it's time to start dropping some bricks. That was a lot of cutting. But the cuts are all done. It looks fantastic. Tomorrow, we're coming back to do the polymeric sand. And then after that, it's just sod and plank. Today is going to be our last day here. Time to start flattening out the dirt and laying the sod.